What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's part 3 of rebuilding the wrecked Audi. Right now, we basically finished all the stuff. I'm going to bondo these areas. And right now I'm just sanding these areas down, the painted ones with 400, just to get it scuffed up. And we're going to go through these areas with the, well yeah, obviously bondo, and then we're going to paint this. So yeah, I'm just going to finish sanding, then the bondo, and then mask it all off. And then I'll start painting. So let's get to it. Now that we finished scuffing up the paint, we're going to start applying bondo. I already applied some here. I'm going to have to take all this off because it's already dried. But apply bondo on the spots that, obviously connected to the straight metal, and sand it down, make it look pretty, and then we'll start painting. And we should be done. So let's get to that. Get to mixing up some bondo. Okay, so we finished bondoing it, finished sanding it down, looks good, soft everywhere. Same with that side. Now I'm just gonna mask it off and then get ready for paint. So let's get to that. Alright, so we're gonna start painting now. I'm gonna do probably like 3 coats because I have enough paint. And yeah, I already loaded the paint in the gun right here. Already loaded in, looks hella cool. So let's just start spraying down the first, second, and third coat. Let's go. Alright, so we painted the car. So I already put the fender together. But I'm gonna wait a little bit longer for this to cure because all the rubber pieces, they press against this. So I don't want it to rip off the paint. So we're gonna let it sit for another like few hours. Then we'll come back and put the rest of the car together. And that'll basically be it. But alright, so we put the car together, and I'm gonna have to take it off because I just put it together just so I can drive it here. I'm gonna have to take it off, assemble the doors, because when we bought these doors, they already came with wiring. But for the speaker, the wiring was cut and there was no speaker. So I'm gonna have to take out this whole wiring and put it in for my old doors. And then we'll reassemble the whole car and finish adjusting the lines a little bit. And then that's it. That's gonna be it for the build. So let's just go ahead and assemble it, and then we'll be done. So this is it for this build. We put everything together, aligned the gaps, aligned the lines. Everything looks good. Considering that I did this without a frame machine, it's really good. We assembled the doors, everything closed, everything painted. Pretty good. Everything works, obviously. Same with this door. Everything closes nicely. Boom. But this is gonna be it for this episode, for this build. It was a quick build. It's a nice car. Gonna sell it, get a new build. So stay tuned for that, for this next build. And yeah, that's it. So if you guys like this build, like what I do, want me to keep doing videos, then like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more. And yeah, see you guys next build.